Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. In this short video, I want to say a few words about the latest updates that we've provide for Django Pixel Lite, Material Kit, and SoftUI design system. All three products has been updated to support another design pattern for the regarding the code base, which is the a teamable design code base where the design is no longer hard coded inside the product, so basically is installed using pip. So we can check out this by accessing the source code, and if we go here to the requirements, we can see that the a new line inside the file, which points to the theme and the UI kit used by the product. The link to the library is also listed on the README, and we can check out the latest version here on PyPy, and of course the library for all three products is open source. So in this case is Django Team Pixel Lite. In for material is of course material kit, the free version from the latest version from creative team, and soft design provides the same thing, and we can use the libraries for styling modern design in any Django legacy product or new product, and without much efforts. Okay, another thing that comes with in the latest version is the um, continuous integration, continuous deployment flow, which uses render as deployment infrastructure. So for newcomers, render is the platform used by AppSeed to automatize the deployments without much efforts. And sometimes the products can be used with the simple drag and drop in this, using this interface. We have here a live deployer interface, so basically we just the user just have the possibility to just drop here the link of the repository, and the product will go live. Okay, in this demonstration I will do a manual deployment on render. For newcomers, render it's a Heroku-like platform, but in my opinion, it is super easy to interact with their UI. It's beginners friendly. Comes with many automation, automatized flows, and also the pricing is super decent. Let's access the dashboard. In order to deploy any product from this short list, Pixel, Material Kit, or SoftUI Design, we just need to copy the URL of the repository, go here to the new blueprint instance, drop here the link, and once the render accepts the request, we need to put here the name of the service, and wait a little bit in order to allow render platform to compile the product and push live the application. This is possible because the products comes with two new files. The first one is this EIML, which is expected by render. This file presents the context of the application, what is the environment, in this case is Python, what is the entry point of the application, and the build command, which is a simple bash script that make a small setup in the environment before going live. Okay, let's go back to the application and check out the live logs. We can see here that all the modules are installed, the database is migrated, and soon the project should be up and running. This is the URL. Okay, I will copy the URL and drop here in the browser. So the application is up and running. I didn't do much. We can create a new user. Let me create a new one. Okay, test that as apps.js. Okay, okay. Let me type here the password and just paste the value. Okay, now the product is the user is created. I'll use the same password. And now we're in. We can see here that the button, the login button, is available. The UI looks amazing in my opinion. The product is designed by Tinsberg, and Pixel is super popular among our users. Okay, so let's go back here and do the same thing for material kit. I will go back here, create a new blueprint. We need to wait a few seconds in order to let render analyze the context of this deployment, but all should be okay. Okay, let's check out the compilation log. The same thing happens here because it's basically the same design and it is basically the same code base, so there are a few chances to have issues. Okay, so the build is successful. Now the render deploys the app and will be available at this address, Django -mkit on render.com. I will do the same thing once the application is up and running. I will do the same thing with the soft UI design system just to demonstrate how easy it is to go live these days using automation flows and a good deployment platform, and also a super minimal code base provided by us. Let's access the UI. The same thing. So you have here the UI. This product is designed by creative team, comes with a lot of a lot of components, about us page and other things. Contact us, looks super nice, and the product can be used for nice presentation website, for a blog or other things that or small mini commerce product. And might be important to know that all mentioned products are released under the MIT license, which means you can use it or incorporate the source code in commercial project, or simply use the starters for your learning activities. And this is great in my opinion, because the products comes already tested, and we can use it right away in production, relearning, or for a hobby project. Okay, let's do the same thing with SoftUI design. I will go back again here on the blueprints menu, create the blueprint, assign here a name, and click on the apply button. Another win that comes with this with render is that basically the platform is connected to the repository, and we have a continuous integration, continuous deployment flow, which means each update on the product will reflect automatically on the live instance, because render detects the change, and each commit will trigger a new rebuild. But this behavior can be edited here on the settings tab. We have here automatic deploy option, which is enabled by default. So we can edit here and set this value to no, and in this case we can manually trigger a new build by accessing this button. Okay, let's go back and check out the compilation log, so we can see that also SoftUI design is live on render. Let's access the UI and check out the design. So looks super nice. We can go here and visualize all the components. We have documentation. In all cases, for all products, free or paid, we are providing free support. So if anyone needs support, just access AppSeed. We keep this link available here at the top of the page. Click on support and just use the coordinates listed in this space to get in touch with us. Basically, you can send us an email anytime, and we try to respond 24/7 at all emails and requests, or simply join the Discord server, where we have a super nice community with more than 1,000 members, and anyone can chat with the support team one-to-one, and you will get assistance in all cases. So guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. I'm pretty sure this year will be an amazing one. We have many tools for the community. We have many promotions. Right now we have a nice campaign that ends in just a few days with a nice discount. In case anyone wants to test our products, of course the free products are deployed on GitHub and available even without an account, but for this campaign targets the premium products provided by us.